Okay, real quick, I didn't think I would actually have to make this video, because in the giveaway announcement video, I specifically stated, and have stated many times since then, that the winners are drawn and announced live on Twitch and then Discord. I don't really like making a whole video just to announce a name. It seems pointless when I have Discord and Twitch, which make it a lot easier. But there's just been an influx of people who can't seem to figure that out. So today's video, very simple. I'm gonna announce the winner of the giveaway that was drawn 15 days ago. And the winner has been public information for 15 days. As a matter of fact, I even announced it on Discord 15 days ago in a public announcement on a Discord that is open to everyone. So people would keep telling me, oh, you didn't announce it. Well, actually I did. You know what? Instead of just saying the name out loud right here, all I'm going to do is throw it back to livestream me, who announced the winner live on Twitch right when he said he would on the 31st of July. So take it away, livestream me.
Way too often, unfortunately. On Twitch with 1,046 total entries. Longtime viewer. JPSH Racer. Please be in chat, but if you're not, I will send you a DM on Twitch.
Now, besides that, you may know that I like asking the winners of my giveaways if they could possibly send back a video of them receiving, unboxing, or using the product that I sent specifically for the sole purpose of posting on my channel to show you guys that, well, yeah, I do actually do the giveaways I say I will do. And the draft is going to say congrats. And I will include this with the box that I'm shipping out actually tomorrow, because today's Sunday and I just got paid from Twitch, so I have money to ship the laptop from the giveaway. Give it some ears, the eyeballs. There we go, lots of detail. And then sign it. I will be including this beautiful work of art with the giveaway laptop. So if the winner so decides to send the video that I request, sometimes they do not, and that it disappoints me, because it's so pointless not to, but okay. Hopefully, when they do, it will show that this is the same artwork, it's impossible to replicate, one of a kind, priceless. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed. If you're one of the people who's been spamming my comments with, who's the winner? And, wow, you haven't announced the winner. What a scam. Maybe try listening for more than 2 seconds in the giveaway video. And to everyone else, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Hopefully we can do a giveaway next month, but our revenue is very low, so who knows? Oh, jeez.